Welcome to Ekraft Geeks. In this video, we will be discussing about night vision technology. Originally developed for the military use, night vision technology allows one to see in the dark. We humans have poor night vision compared to animals, but now, with night vision technology, we can see much better than before. The technology works in two ways, namely image intensification and thermal imaging. This method basically involves ambient light amplification. It works by being able to detect low levels of light and then amplify it. Thermal imaging. This approach requires capturing the upper portion of the infrared light spectrum emitted as heat energy by objects instead of being simply reflected as light. Temperature is detected by capturing the different levels of IR radiation. Some of the night vision devices are scopes, which are monocular device handheld or mounted on a weapon. Goggles, which are binocular and worn on the head. Cameras that are used for capturing images or recording videos. The advantages of night vision technology. No particular skill is required to make use of these devices. It is a compact system and it helps in reduction of accidents. In conclusion, today in the 21st century, we have come a long way in developing night vision technology since its discovery. It has proved to be extremely useful to us. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Ekraft Geeks.